Over the years, I have worked with different design and visualization tools. But when I first discovered Synaps, something instantly caught my eye. Hi everyone, I am Kritika, an architectural illustrator and educator, and welcome back to my channel. If you have been following my work, you know I am obsessed with exploring tools that make architectural workflow smarter, faster, more intuitive, and visually beautiful. And that's exactly what caught my attention about Synaps. With just few strokes, you can create 2D drawing, or from 2D drawing to a visual presentation in seconds. And because it's collaborative, your team or client can jump in, share feedback, and explore the ideas together live. It's not about replacing your process, it's about giving your ideas wings. And I have attached the link below so you can try it for free. Now, let's dive in. Let's open Synaps. It's a powerful design software that works right from your desktop. So, you can design anywhere, anytime. Once you log in, you will see a clean and intuitive interface. You can find your recent models, templates, and tutorial right here. Everything you need to get started quickly. To begin a new project, just click on New Model. Here's the magic happens. At the top, you have the tools like Select, Wall, Opening, Dimensions, Camera. On the left, you will find your Pages, Layers, Library. On the right, a Properties panel where you can customize every element in your drawing. In the center is your workspace, the drawing area. You can start by creating a frame, set the scale, change the format, or even customize the look with fills and strokes. For example, I will pick the wall tool. I can simply click, drag, and build my layout in seconds. All the elements are organized in layers, which makes editing super smooth. Synaps also lets you add openings like doors and windows instantly. You can edit the properties from the right-hand side panel. You can just drag and drop assets like furniture or decor right into your plan and apply textures or materials. Add dimensions, labels, or even tweak every visual detail from the properties panel. It's clean, fast, and designed for architects and designers who love precision with creativity. Now comes the real game changer, the camera tool. You might be wondering why a 2D drawing app needs a camera, but this is where Synaps shine. Let's set the camera. I'm going to place the camera near the door, facing towards the bed. Now, in the bottom AI panel, I am going to write down create a boho style render for this bedroom. Then simply click on generate, and here you can see it has created a branch. Along with that, my render will be generated. It takes less than 10 seconds to generate a render. And here we have it, our render. This tool is really incredible. The render actually takes the measurement of your room and generates the scene based on that. Now, I want to customize this render a bit more. I will add a prompt. Add 2 chairs with a coffee table in front of the window like this and send it. Here we can see another branch has appeared. It will take just a few seconds to generate, and you will notice one thing. It will only add chairs and the coffee table. It wouldn't edit anything else, unlike other AI softwares. And here you can see we have another frame. Now the 2 chairs and the coffee table is there. Now you can manipulate your render however you want. Let's add another prompt. Add curtains to the window. Send the prompt, and here we can see another frame is created. It works in branching system. So you have all the branches visible here. You can see every step you have taken to modify your render, which is one of the most best parts. You can experiment as much as you want and add as many as prompts as needed to create your desired render. And here we have the curtains in front of the window. It looks beautiful. Now, I want to customize it more to achieve my preferred style. I will select the frame and then write a prompt. Change the wall color to beige. Send the prompt, and as you can see, we have our render generated. I really like the branching system and the fact that it only changes the specific element you ask for without affecting the whole render. It looks so much better in beige. The room looks bigger, brighter, and really nice. Here you can see I have my floor plan and here's our render. It's so easy. I can send the floor plan to my client and instantly show them the render. Now, I want a nightstand near my bed. So I will write the prompt, add a nightstand, send the prompt, and here you can see another frame has been created. Let's see how it turns out. And here we have it, the nightstand with a lamp. I'm really impressed how well it understands the prompt. Now, I want my flooring to have a wooden texture, like you can see here in the plan. So I will select the frame and add prompt, add wooden flooring with a carpet. Send it. Here you can see we have our generated render. And wow, you can see how quickly it's creating these renders. I love it. Isn't it amazing? You can see your entire process here, every step, every change. Through the branching system, you can track how your render evolved from start to finish. So, whether you are an architect, an interior designer, or a student, Synaps let you do everything. Create detailed architectural drawings, 2D floor plans to 3D rendering, the asset library so you don't have to waste time finding the perfect asset, and create stunning visuals without switching tools. And here's the best part. This video is just the beginning. It's not a one-time video, it's a full YouTube course. Every week I'll be dropping a new lesson where I will show you how to create architectural drawings, build AI renders, write effective prompts, and present your designs professionally, all inside Synaps. So make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification, and stay tuned because by the end of this playlist, you will have a whole new way of designing. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, happy designing. Bye-bye.